Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another vlog, welcome back to a day in Dubai. Today is the 50th National Day in the UAE, and as a celebration we are at a restaurant which serves amazing Indo-Chinese food. It serves some naughty food, and that's because this restaurant is called Naughty Manchurian. So they've invited us over to come and try some of their naughty dishes. Some of the dishes are already here. So let's dive right into today's vlog. What do we have here? We have some prawn toast right here. And remember that all of the food that we're trying today is Indo-Chinese, prepared with a blend of Indian spices as well as Chinese spices. So if you have a look at this, on the menu it says that this is Bipasha's favorite. So have a look. And right off the back you can see that this is not your traditional Chinese, but this is like, it's layered with chili and spices. This is their signature dish, check it out. Never before have I seen fried rice served in an Indian style thali, fusion Chinese right here. So have a look. So even the drinks that we have here, they're all fusion drinks. For example, spicy mango, and it has cinnamon in it. Chinese tiger prawns served in a thali. Can you imagine? Have a look. Alright dosto, let's start. Alright dosto, let's start today's food tasting with the first starter, and that is prawn toasties. Have a look. Look at that, guys. Let's try. Bismillah. Wow. Just as I was expecting, that is super spicy. I don't know if it's the sauce. I think it's the sauce that is super spicy. So let's try it without the sauce. Oh wow. Without the sauce, it's not that spicy. And then it's covered with sesame seeds on top. These are so delicious, guys. Wow. So the next thing we have today are Bipasha's favorite, and that's the spicy calamari. Just look at all the spices in there, guys. Wow. Alright, let's pick up one. They're a bit dry. They're actually like fried chilies in here as well. See. Do you think we should try one? Are these red chilies super spicy?
No, this one is not with chili, it's not spicy.
It's not spicy? Ooh, spicy. Ooh. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, they're not that spicy. They have a little bit of a kick, but nothing to be scared about. Thank you. This is another dish that I really want to show you guys. It's called the slow and low because this has been cooked for, I think, more than 6 hours. Just look at that, guys. Come closer. See how easily this is breaking because it's been slow cooked for more than 6 hours. Just look at that. Whoa. Wow. There's a sweetness to it. And you can tell that there's a hint of Indian spices in it as well. Very different. That is such a refreshing change to one of my favorite dishes of all time, and that is beef short ribs. These are jumbo prawns, but they are cooked and presented in an Indian style thali. So now let's open these up. And as you can see, they've been enclosed in a banana leaf, just like you would find a lot of dishes in Indian food culture. A bit on the extra spicy side. I wish they weren't this spicy. If you're coming here and you order, tell them not to make it so spicy because it just drowns the taste of the prawn itself. But the prawns are super duper fresh, guys. So yeah, that's a plus point. And now let's have it thali style. Let's dip it in some of that sauce. Take some of that rice. Let's get our hands dirty for this one. And let's have it thali style. Chinese food, thali style. Let's go. Wow. So the rice and the chutney, they basically neutralize the spiciness of the prawn. So if you're having it as a combination, you're good. And it's a good combination, guys. Wow. So this is the spicy mango cooler. Oh, that is so nice. Obviously it's mango juice, but it has a kick to it because of the cinnamon. Maybe one of my top 10 fusion drinks that I've had in Dubai. Check this out, guys. National Day special dumplings. They've made it according to the color of the UAE flag. All the different colors right here. Have a look. And this is why I said that all of their dishes are naughty, because they love doing experiment with their food. So let's just go in and try the National Day special dumpling, guys. So delicious. In case you're wondering where it's located, it's right next to City Walk. So it's in the middle of the city. You shouldn't have a problem getting here. Alright guys, on to the last and the naughtiest dish on today's menu. And that is the naughty chicken Manchurian, and then they've paired it with their signature fried rice. Wow. If you love Manchurian, you're going to really enjoy this one. So you can wash all of that down with some fresh coconut water, which you can get over here. Is there anything better than fresh chilled coconut water, guys? I don't know. You let me know in the comments below. Also, while we're at it, if you're enjoying this video and you watched it this far, then smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed already, it just takes 1 second, guys. Please hit that subscribe button and please turn on the notifications as well, so you get alerted when I post more videos like this one. Now we'll move on to the sweet dish. I'll see you in just 1 second. Alright guys, have a look at this. Oh my god.
The crispy honey stream with the coconut ice cream.
Oh, nice. Alright guys, so they said break it so we can see the jelly and everything inside. And then there's ice cream, there's jelly, and it's all served on a base of coconut shell, which is also edible. Wow guys, this is like a super dessert. It's so flavorful and there's so much happening here. You have the crispy coconut, you have the crispy noodles on top right here, and then you have the ice cream, you have the jelly, and it's also drizzled with caramel sauce. So just imagine the flavor that's bursting in right now. What a magnificent feast at Naughty Manchurian. It's at Al Wasl Road. It's right next to City Walk, right in the heart of Dubai, and it should definitely be on your must-visit list. Amazing place, amazing food, amazing ambience, and right now the weather is also amazing, so you can sit outside. They have plenty of outdoor seating as well. Alright, see you next time with another one. Till then, take very good care of yourself, guys. Stay safe, take care, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.